Hi dolls! Today I have a very special meal ideas video under 20 minutes. These were things that I had last week that I really enjoyed and they were so easy to make. I thought that this would be a helpful video for those of you guys that want to switch up the foods that you're eating. This was one of my favorite dishes that I made because it's 3 ingredients, you guys. All I did was I took some frozen meatballs from Trader Joe's and I mixed it with my favorite jarred sauce, also from Trader Joe's, and then I got my pasta going. I'm personally a fan of angel hair, so I cooked this up, which cooks super fast. And once that was ready, I just combined all the ingredients and voila, we had a nice pasta dinner. Now I love bacon and I love BLTs even more. I don't know what it was, but I had this very strong craving for BLTs and I've been eating them for the past 2 weeks. So I just toasted up some wheat bread. I have some iceberg lettuce, some mini cherry tomatoes, and of course some bacon. So I mean, it really couldn't be easier to make a sandwich, but this one, oof, it just hits different. Now, once a week, I like to meal prep a big dish that I can eat throughout the week or freeze a batch of it for another time. So I made a big pot of chili, which I actually have a full cooking with Kayla video on that, so I'll link it down below. But I wanted to turn my chili into a taco salad for this dinner, so I just shredded some lettuce. Use whatever you like. I also ended up adding some fresh avocado and doing some tortilla chips on the side. Now you guys know I am a big fan of smoothies. It's one of my favorite ways to get in those superfoods and to make something very quick, especially after a workout. So I'm going to show you guys what I use to make my go-to smoothie that's going to keep you full. This is good pre-workout, post-workout, or even breakfast if you need something first thing in the morning. So in my blender bottle, I have some frozen bananas. I'm also going to add this blend of frozen fruit from Trader Joe's. It's a nice little tropical blend. It also has bananas in it, mangoes, and strawberries. I'm also going to add some cinnamon. This is really great at balancing out your blood sugar levels. I'm going in with a little bit of maca powder to help balance out my hormones, give me a little boost of energy throughout the day. And recently I've been adding oats to my smoothies, just raw rolled oats. This is gonna help carb up my day and of course keep me full a little bit longer. So if you are looking for a really filling smoothie, definitely try that out. I'm adding some almond milk and then I also added some vegan protein powder. And to help this blend a little better, I added some water. Next up is a classic rice bowl. So I'm cooking up some chicken, and my favorite spices right now are honey and then the onion salts from Trader Joe's. Of course, I just went in with pink Himalayan salts and black pepper to taste. These are definitely my go-to meals when I have no time to really think about being creative, because I get my healthy carbs, my veggies, and my protein all in one. I have some brown rice soaking up all those juices, and I am going to pair this with some rainbow cauliflower, but you can use whatever veggies you have on hand. And to get in more of those nutrients, I'm gonna add a bed of spinach. Finally, we have a classic favorite, burgers and fries. So what I ended up seasoning my burgers with was this Roadhouse blend from Trader's, and oh my god, it was amazing. There's this secret ingredient of coffee beans, which sounds weird, but it tasted phenomenal. I'm also adding some of that onion salt, which clearly you guys can see I'm obsessed with, along with some salt and pepper. So I'm just cooking this well done, and at the end I'll just assemble everything, and it was so easy, so delicious, and I had burgers left over for the next day. And that's it, dolls. I hope that you enjoyed these easy meal ideas for the week, and if you guys would like to see more of these, let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.